find the gunshot means found. Requested it, so where you at?
Call it loose, get it loose, stay. I'm unleashed, rap king of the streets, ripping up another beat, and I still don't.
Greetings, YouTube. Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Farm Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Monday, March 23rd, 2020. And in today's video, we're going to bring you guys along for our final dill harvest at Sweet Baby Red before we completely disassemble Sweet Baby Red and rebuild Sweet Baby Red. We're going to enlarge Sweet Baby Red by about 2.5 feet. We're going to make it a 4 foot by 8 foot Hugo garden planter. We've already removed about 3/4 of the soil from Sweet Baby Red at this point, and we're going to show you what our dill looks like before we do our final harvest and how much soil is actually left in Sweet Baby Red before we continue the process of removing that soil, transferring it to another planter in our garden, and completely disassembling Sweet Baby Red and both enlarging Sweet Baby Red, changing Sweet Baby Red around to a different position here in our garden. Hang tight, YouTube. I'm going to spin this camera around for you guys right now, show you what it looks like, and give you an idea of what we're going to do with Sweet Baby Red once we have all of our dill harvested, all of our soil removed, and we completely disassemble Sweet Baby Red. All right, YouTube, indeed, Sweet Baby Red. And this, YouTube, is not only what Sweet Baby Red is looking like right here, right now, at the Green Farm Gardening Channel Grow Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia, but it's also why we're about to disassemble Sweet Baby Red. Sweet Baby Red is approximately 2 years old here in our garden. If you've been following this video series on Sweet Baby Red, you remember that we actually built Sweet Baby Red out of reclaimed wood from pallets. That wood was not pressure treated in any way. We simply painted it, the planter on the outside and the inside, and filled it with soil. It lasted us about 2 years at the Green Farm Gardening Channel, but it is indeed at this time to disassemble Sweet Baby Red, rebuild her out of some pressure treated material, enlarge her, and change the position that she currently lies in our garden. As you can see, from end to end, she lies facing the road. We're going to rebuild this planter into a 4 foot by 8 foot Hugo garden planter, about the same height, but we're going to face it this way, left to right, the long way, left to right, instead of the long way towards the road, left to right. That'll give us the ability to put it actually in the center of our yard out there, and allow whatever we grow out there plenty of space to spread out and do well in this full sun area here in our garden. At any rate, YouTube, this is currently what our dill looks like in our garden. As you can see, it has grown tremendously since our last harvest video. We have quite the amount of dill here to harvest today. We're going to go ahead and harvest this dill. As you can see, we've removed the soil from the majority of this planter, transferred that to another planter in our garden already. I'm going to go ahead and harvest our dill, remove the rest of this soil, and show you what Sweet Baby Red looks like with all of the soil removed, all the way down to the organics in the bottom. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, we're back at Sweet Baby Red, and this is what Sweet Baby Red looks like, completely emptied of our grow medium. Take a look at this, YouTube. We completely removed all of our soil, all the way down to the level of the organics down in the bottom. And this, YouTube, this is why we're rebuilding Sweet Baby Red. As you maybe recall from the video series on this planter, Sweet Baby Red is approximately 2 years old. She has indeed lasted us 2 grow seasons here in our garden. But as you recall, also, we constructed this planter from reclaimed wood from pallets. It didn't hold up so well. And this wood looks like right now, today, March 23rd, 2020. Take a look at this, YouTube. This wood is completely rotting and deteriorated. Look on the inside here. The termites have gotten to it, completely rotted it out. All the way around, it's like that on this planter. As you can see, even on the outside, they've eaten all the way through in several places. So indeed, YouTube, indeed, it is time for us to rebuild Sweet Baby Red. But no worries, Miss Sharon Harris, no worries at all. We will indeed be reconstructing Sweet Baby Red in the same location. The only thing that will change again is the size and the orientation. As you can see, it faces a east-west direction here in our yard. We're going to turn this planter north-south when we rebuild it. It's currently a 3-foot by 6-foot Hugo Culture garden planter. We're going to reconstruct this planter as a 4-foot by 8-foot Hugo Culture garden planter. And we'll bring you guys back with a video showing you how we go about deconstructing this video, where we purchase our materials from to rebuild our planter, and the entire reconstruction process of Sweet Baby Red. Thanks for watching YouTube. And if indeed you are watching this video, you're not currently subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends as well. Yeah, our final dill harvest and rebuilding Sweet Baby Red. Thanks for watching.
Rewind, the gunshot means forward. We requested it, so we rewind.
Call it loose, city loose, stay. I'm unleashed, rap king of the streets, ripping up another beat, and I still don't play. I flow smooth in my lyrics on time. All my haters in the crowd, it's loud, but I leave them all quiet when I say what's on my mind. I ain't fell off, I won't stop. There's a diff on the corner of the top until my very last breath. I'm gonna give it all I got. Red eye taking late night flights. Won't stop and tell us that I'm touching down in Cali, destination in the valley, and I'm feeling alright. I'm elevated, I'm a product of the sun. On top status, I'm a flowing apparatus. Got my haters talking chatter, but I still get it done. Everywhere I go, I still see pros. On the beat, see I'm walking down the street, high heels on their feet, almost wearing no clothes. I'm making money selling records overseas. All in Ghana, I'll be smoking marijuana. You can find me down under, even in the Philippines. Like Ali, I'm a lion, I'm the greatest. I'm top notch, I can see outside the box. I'm making haters stop and watch because they know that I done made it.
Rewind, the gunshot means forward. We requested it, so we rewind.
Looking for me, you can find me in my life. I stand tall, but I keep my circle small. Don't let them lawyers get involved whenever I profit off my name. I'm full grown, I'm a lion in my prime. Treat my design, I mean the way I spit around. I'm about to make the haters feel me like I did the last time. Deep breath and I'ma drop another verse. No competition for this lion on a mission. If you want it, come and get it. I'ma hit you where it hurts. You need a minute, let my words marinate. It's been a minute, I didn't mean to make you wait. I'm about to rip it straight to shreds and I ain't gonna hesitate.